Alright, so now we're doing equations. What is an equation? This may seem like an obvious question, but to give it a legitimate definition, it's actually a statement that the values of two expressions are equal. So it's a statement that the value of two different expressions, or two could be the same expression, two expressions are equal. Okay, so what's the difference between an equation and an expression? An equation actually involves two expressions. An expression is just a statement. So like, I could say, my truck has a color. That is an expression. All right, that's just a statement. There's no, I mean, maybe you could simplify it. We talked about simplifying expressions, but that's just an expression. An equation relates to expressions. So if I said my truck has a color that is blue, then that actually makes the equation. All right, here's an expression, here's an expression. So that would be something like truck color Okay, so now blue is an expression and truck color is an expression. Truck color equals blue is actually relating the two expressions and telling you that they are equivalent. All right, the color of my truck is equivalent to the color blue. So we can have things like 2x plus 5, that's just an expression. When we set that equal to something, now we have an equation. All right, so an equation always has an equal sign all throughout the process. An expression does not necessarily. So what does it mean for a number to be a solution to an equation? Basically, it means it works. So what I mean by that is it's the number that when you plug it in, so if you substitute the number in to everywhere that you see the variable and you get a true expression, then it works. All right. Now, equation can have no solution or infinitely many solutions sometimes. So determine whether a given number is a solution to the equation. Basically, all you're doing is you're taking this, you're substituting it in, and if it's true, then yes, it's a solution. If it's not true, then it's not a solution. So 2 times 3 minus 10 equals 4. Is that true? I like to put a little question mark over if I'm wondering whether it's true, if I'm testing something. So that's 6 minus 10, which is a negative 4. That does not equal 4. Pardon me. Let's plug in the 3. We have 6 plus 4 times 3. And that equals 6 plus 12, and that equals 18. That works, so that is. So determine whether a given number, this would be a no. This would be a yes. I'll try one more. I'm not going to distribute this. I'm going to plug in the number right away. So plug in the 2 right there. So we got 14 times 2 plus 2 is 4 equals 56. 14 times 4 is 56. So, yes. Alright, so then here are your U-tries. Try a couple of these, and we'll be going over this and the other stuff next class.